So today I'm going to quickly show you how you can contribute more to your Vanguard retirement account right on the app with its newest update. So right over here, you can see in real time, I have the app up and loaded. So this is going to be the main page of Vanguard when you have it loaded. And what we're going to actually want to do is click on the transact option at the very bottom over here. And from here, there's a couple different options. The top actually shows you trades. That's not what we want to do today. We actually want to go ahead and contribute to our retirement. And you can see here where it says move money, there's a contribute option. So we're going to click on here. And from here, it's going to give you the option to select which account you want to transfer into. So we're going to go ahead and choose the option that works best for us because we have multiple accounts, and then we're going to move on to the next step. All right, so from this next step here, it's going to say funding source. So it says select a funding source. So if you have a bank on file, you can do that, or if you have a check, you can go ahead and do a deposit from there. So we're going to click on the bank we had on file here, and it says the contribution year. Currently it's 2021, but if you're in 2022, 2023, sometimes you'll have that option, or still from the prior year if tax time hasn't passed already. So just keep that in mind, and then it will tell you your contribution limits if you're close to them, or if you've already maxed them out like ourselves here. Now, if you're somebody who hasn't maxed out on their contributions just yet, this is where you're going to be able to put in the dollar amount that you want to contribute. So go ahead and plug in that number, and then you're going to see at the very bottom where it says preview, it will highlight. So then you can go ahead and preview it, make sure everything looks good, have it withdraw from the bank that you have on file, and then you can go ahead and complete that transaction and contribute more to your Vanguard retirement account. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing when it comes to investing for your future, so check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.